this. It's incredibly freezing right here in the capital. In fact, I'm truly impressed about how well I'm feeling at this moment, I must confess. And the name remains, and I'm at the heart of vehicles creed. Well, today I take a wonderful walk to Mac GH actually. Well, I'm a bona fide client of Mac GH. I've traversed the nooks and cranny actually to probably make some purchases today again. Though my Isuzu D-max 2020 actually had an accident as usual. I've been coming here to make some purchases to buy spare parts for Isuzu, MG, Maxus, Chevrolet, and Co. So, well, I'm going to take you around and let me tour around and see how the place looks like and a variety of vehicles that you can see around. Well, it's been a ton of expenses that to make today. It's quite so very much expenses. The parts are freaking expensive. And if you're newbie here, this is Vehicles Creed, and I'm in once again. So let's look at this. So this is it's a Cadillac Escalade. Welcome to the home of Isuzu, Chevrolet, Escalade, Maxus. Talking about a Cadillac. Such an interesting place to be. You can always trust and count on that. Wow. I love the spirits. So we already made a payment of about that's about 4,000 US dollars. Oh, so this the Isuzu D-max, the Equinox. But the interesting thing is the Maxus it's been the first time this is used by the police force. Such an interesting vehicle. It's a D90 Maxus. So this is more like the garage where you see this the incubating chamber of vehicles. So this is where the wheel alignment is done, and this is where the wheel balancing is done. Let me get closer. Right, so this is where the wheel balancing is done for vehicles, and when wheel alignment, this is where the wheel alignment is done. Right, so this is the low bay where you done the change of oils are being carried out. So the cars are being erected by this system for all the dynamics being put in place to check all those mechanical faults or frailties are being dealt with. So this is the MG and this is the Cruise. It's interesting to be. So the MG T60 and then the Isuzu D-max 2.5, it's side by side. This is another T60. They look like they have similar thermodynamics. So this is the engine block. You can see the valves and the pistons, the brake calipers. So this is a lot more of engineering where you find all those tools that we require to put these things in place. This is how the cars are being worked on actually. If there are any defects they are taken, and then the electrical faults or whatever faults are being detected by these mechanisms. The machines are here, and so putting the vehicle on the spotlight and those remedies applied in no time for the vehicle. So all the parts that we require to buy today are actually uh, processed here. So as much as it is, firstly it took us about 30 minutes to carry out the first processing, and then this time around we ought to add up about 3,000 US dollars to be able to get the rest of the parts. So we are buying fenders, the front bumpers, the front bumper, and then the back bumper, and then we also buying the fog lights, the Chevrolet Equinox 2016 edition, Chevrolet Aveo, Chevrolet Matiz, Chevrolet Aveo. Then we have the almighty Isuzu D-max. That's the one part I'm buying. This is actually a 2018 edition. Up there is the MGT80. Then we have the Chevrolet Spark. We have the D-max, another D-max staring in my face a lot, and then the Chevrolet Cruze up there, the D-max, and as well that we have another Cruze here. Then we have the tons of them if I have to count them. We'll be going down there. I'm going to take you through. You'll see the cash that we're going to pay right now. It's freaking damn. That's a lot. That's a lot. We are now moving to get the spare parts. Forklift is picking the item for us.